Hello guys, welcome to another video of Elite Expertise. The Elite Expertise is an online training platform which trains pharmacists to become fully registered pharmacists in Australia. We've been training overseas pharmacists for KAPSEXAM, which is called Knowledge Assessment of Pharmaceutical Sciences, an interest level exam which enables an overseas pharmacist to practice in Australia. It's one step towards your general registration. We also train pharmacists for oral and written exams. We had just received a result for KAPS July 2023, and it was a massive success for us, for Elite Expertise team. And I'm myself, Harika Vimavarpu. I work as a pharmacist at Monash Health, a clinical pharmacist and clinical pharmacist educator at Monash Health Hospital in Melbourne. I'm also an accredited consultant pharmacist. I've got one of my students, Iris Rose, who has aced KAPS in her very first attempt. She looks very happy. So let's talk to her. Hi, Iris. Congratulations.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much. And congratulations to you too
Thank you so much.
for the results that your students have put forward to you.
Thank you so much, dear. How do you feel?
I feel so happy. Like, I really don't know how to thank the team Elite Expertise, Arif sir, Harika ma'am, yourself, and Rekha ji, and even Vikas Bhaiya. So they all have helped us a lot. And even the entire students.
So it's the entire team's success, and we're so happy. It's all your success.
And many of our friends was putting so much effort to keep organized notes, mnemonics, and everything. And even in the class also, it was really nice.
Yes, true. It's the effort of the entire team of Elite Expertise, the students of Elite Expertise, the admin team, teachers, and everyone. Thank you so much, Iris. Thank you so much. It feels so good, right? Talking about good things happening. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm so happy too.
Yeah, because KAPS was not something that I look forward since my graduation. It was something that I realized as a great opportunity later. And when I was searching for good coaching institutes, so I'm from Kerala, and here we have many institutes who give us coaching. But what attracted me to Elite Expertise is that sir and ma'am are already practicing there. So the knowledge that practical experience gives is really different from textbook knowledge. So, and that is really evident in the way you guys teach, the way you guys explain the cases that you have met in your real life. So maybe those points remains in our memory more when it comes to seeing questions in exams. So it is really great to have two good teachers like you. And from the day one, when I attended class, when it comes to you, it was ANS. And for sir, it was respiratory system. I was really happy in choosing you both because it was really satisfactory. The way you guys explain things again and again. I think you have explained the difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic system almost 100 times in the whole 3 months. So it is there in the mind of every student who's attending class, that concepts, the basic and key concepts. And even when it comes to sir, the key important topics like cardiovascular system, neurology system, so everything he keeps on repeating. He gave us revision classes over and over. And personally, for me, medicinal chemistry was one tough subject, like in college. And I was really scared of seeing that in the syllabus. But to be frank, after attending Arif sir's exclusive mock only for medicinal chemistry, that was something which is the most easiest subject for me. Like when I ended up during revision, medicinal chemistry was one subject I could say like, okay, I'm going to make everything correct, whatever comes. So, and the way you stress each and every important points that can come for this year, like it gives us confidence. Okay, we are going to get these questions for sure. So the way you stress each topic and the way you say, like this point is important, this example is important, all those made that huge syllabus to a very easier one. Like our main intention is to clear the exam. So that became very easier with both of you. Like the end. Highly remarkable is the way you both were consistent more than the students. Like even I couldn't meet up the consistency you both get. The way you organized assignments, mocks, yeah, surely our technical team also has a great role in it, Regaji and Vikas Payer. So a huge thanks to that. And at the end, I was like, how are you people putting so much effort? Like, even as students, I couldn't put so much effort. Like, one after the other, the mocks used to come. And the way each and every questions in the mock, I think almost there were 1,000 and above questions, like the
Yes,
entire
yeah.
mock. And you guys took effort to explain each and every questions, to explain the wrong answers, and so that if some question comes from the wrong answer also, we can somehow figure it out. And I think this year's paper gave us a lot of surprise. But
Yeah.
what helped me, what I think is like the knowledge we have gained in this 3 months, that knowledge base has helped me to clear this. Even I was surprised seeing many questions. Even yeah, and a special thanks to you, ma'am, for explaining calculations very well. Like, not everybody is like that expert in mathematics. Everybody can't be. In a class of 100, almost 40 will be facing very much difficulty in doing things. Maybe it will be a simple math, but then to understand that at that point of exam, when we are in that pressurized situation, it's kind of not that easy for everybody who attends. So I remember you used to explain each and every tiny single step of basic mathematics in the class for the calculation. Even if you're confused in calculating percentages, also you used to like sit, like it was like you sat beside us and taught us calculations. It was not that we got the same. For me, I didn't get any of the same questions that we discussed in the class, but since we have discussed each and every method, and
Oh, yeah.
that hours of discussion has given me a base so that I could solve the questions that came. So huge thanks to the team. And I would recommend this platform to all of my friends who will appear for KAPS, because before me appeared for the exam, many of my seniors and juniors asked me, and I was telling, this is a really nice team, and I can give you the assurance once my result is out. And I think I can't provide them any more assurance because I've cleared. And the huge thanks to you both, because it is a broad syllabus, it's a broad pathway. And I don't think without a good guide, we can't go to the right, we can't go through the right pathway. So that is made happen. And I'm really, really thankful that I could find you. Like in Kerala, we have a lot of institutes. Being here and seeing these many institutes around, I could come to you. Internet helped me a lot. The reviews that I got about sir and ma'am through internet was really helpful. And that's how I contacted, and I could get it. And most of the institutes provide 6 months of coaching.
Yes,
Here
we
it's a
did
wonder
just
with
3 months.
3 months we could do it. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. When you
And
could do it in 3 months, why study for 6 months? Yeah.
yeah, the pressure should be less. The duration
Yes.
of pressure could be less. And
Yes.
other thing is that even though it's 4 hours class, it was manageable, because in 4 hours, I think only 3 hours used to be the class, and 1 hour usually is the revision or the practice MCQs. So yeah, my smile can explain how happy I am. So much
Oh
of
my God.
gratitude to you and sir.
Thank you so much, Iris. Without me even asking anything, you've just explained everything.
Yeah, no,
Oh,
because it's really,
in
I'm
your
really
heart.
happy. Yeah, I'm really happy. And also the way the notes are organized, the way you put effort to say like this is not there in the notes, so write it down somewhere. Yeah, that. And
I'll make this point next time.
yeah. And sometimes you don't make us overstress. You're telling this question is a bit difficult. We started in a new class, so it's a different concept. So everything is like, I felt it's like how our school teachers used to teach us with so much care and affection. And also, I still remember anytime I texted you with a doubt, you were there, whatever time it is, be it early morning, late night,
Did I reply
you were
you?
there with the answer. Yeah, you replied me. And it was a very odd time. And it was like, ma'am, I was wondering how is she awake at this time?
I don't know, maybe you were
It was
lucky then.
really, yeah, I was really happy. I am really happy, like even again, even further during the duration of my preparation until I be a pharmacist, or even after that, I would love to say that I cleared through a light expertise. So huge
God
thanks.
bless you so much. I mean, like, you've just spoken your heart. I didn't ask you anything.
Yeah, I
Thank
was
you
really
so.
happy. I am
There were
really
some
happy because
points
I was
which I could
actually scared. I was actually scared to open that result thing.
result.
But I
Yes.
was like, I should face it. Somehow I should face it because in India, it came at 4 a.m. in the morning and
No
my
one
parents,
slept
everybody was
actually.
sleeping. Yeah. The whole family was sleeping and I didn't even tell them my results are
Yeah,
coming.
but no
So
students
I'm like,
slept. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, no students left. I kept alarm, and even I had a friend from the Elite Expertise. So we used to call and discuss things and everything. So her name is Hima. So I called her 2:30 in the morning. She called me at 3, and we were like, "Why is it not coming? Why is it not coming?" And even in the group messages was coming like. And you both were trying to make us so cool. And one thing I would like to say is when something off the point discussion used to happen in the group, which used to panic other students, you guys put that strong effort to stop it because uh, it's, I don't think it's important to overstudy certain things
True.
for clearing the exam. So that effort is also, you were always available in the group. I think even I didn't read all the messages that came in our group, but you both were reading all of those and make sure that we are not misguided by anything from outside.
My God, it's so sweet of you. You're just feeling. I mean, like making me feel so good that did I do all this?
Yes, I really don't know how other institutes are because I don't have any of my friends in my personal circle who's into other institutes,
Yeah.
but whatever others are, I know what Elite Expertise is, the way you guys teach and everything. Mm, Clearly to say, I am a family graduate. I studied pharmacy for 6 years, but practical knowledge of mine was increased by attending your classes. Today I work in Apollo, so when patients come, I could really use the knowledge I got during CAPS preparation to help the patients. So that is also advantage for me.
Yeah, that gives so much moral and professional satisfaction, isn't it? To
Yeah.
be able to influence someone's
Yes.
life, to help them, to
Yes.
help a patient, even if it's just a small interaction, just checking
Yeah.
that and giving an advice and giving a better treatment regime. It's
Yes, and I so when I was telling a patient, so I got a patient, so her husband came to me when I was practicing. So he was worried. The wife is having tumor, so I was like, she is a high risk patient. I wouldn't suggest to give anything without your doctor prescribing it because she falls into that high risk criteria.
criteria, yes.
And yeah, so the way I could improve myself professionally after my CAPS preparation is also with your help. So
That's the
because
best
I
compliment ever.
yeah, because see the professionalism you keep, the way you say how things happen there, or it's like when we interact with some people for so long, we both and even sir, we all have interacted for like 3 months continuously, like daily,
True.
sometimes like twice a day. So when we see somebody very professional, we get influenced. So the way you and sir used to say how your professional life is actually influenced me. To be frank, I was not somebody who was that fond of pharmacy when I joined college, but the way you tell about the way Australian pharmacy works and everything is actually kind of made me look forward to that profession with so much expectation and happiness.
It's a beautiful profession where we can make a change, some change.
Yeah.
We can stop something bad happening. We don't have to do a surgery or something to be good.
Yeah.
I mean, like, we just can stop a medication and then change the life of a patient, just help them. Suppose if someone is not sleeping well, if we know the reason that he's taking a diuretic medication at night time and not sleeping well, we could push that dose to morning and he could sleep well. And sleeping well, he's happy with his family, he can spend some time with his children. So we are indirectly or directly influencing people's life, and it's really a beautiful profession, pharmacist. And you will find, yeah, like you're applying your knowledge into practice and changing people's life, community's life when you really practice pharmacy. And yeah, that's what I can say. It's a beautiful profession. I love being a pharmacist.
Yeah, even one day I want to say the same. So
I'm sure you
I
will.
wish that day will come soon.
Yes,
And
yes,
even the I don't know if I can say classmates because it was online classes. They were also really helpful
yes,
because
true, true. We had a
yeah,
very good
it was a
experience. Yes,
team
it
effort
was a
and it was
team
a team
effort. Yeah,
result.
they pushed. Oh, I've seen that. I've seen this. So in the exam, so
Yeah,
you just you have to revise that concept. So the way they pushed was amazing.
even
And
during the preparation also during the time the classes was happening also our students, my
it was
friends in
always
elite expertise
interactive.
was
Yeah.
yeah, it was interactive. Even when we asked question for a calculation, my friends was ready to write it on a paper and send the
Send a
pictures.
picture. Yes, true, true. We've
Yeah,
got all those amazing
so
students. Yeah.
a huge thanks to all my friends who prepared along with me.
Thanks to all our students of Elite Expertise who made us so proud today. Like you
Yeah.
just, I can't really thank you enough.
Huge
It's all you,
congrats.
your hard work. Yes. Huge
No,
congrats to all of us.
more than our hard work, I was at times I was really wondered how you guys are so consistent in making this happen. If you guys say classes at this time, whatever happens, the class is started and
But
for
no, I'm 10
4 hours, so
minutes
four
late
and a half
actually
hours.
sometimes.
That's fine. We are also relaxed when you are 10 minutes late. So
Because I have to handle my
every day,
baby and then come to the class. So
yeah,
it's 10 minutes late. Yeah.
yeah. So you are actually a proud mother too. So
Thank you so much. And I'm so proud. I have been like, able to help you and teach you. And like, it was so nice. It's so lovely, dear. Thank you for all your
thank you.
time. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Love you. Thank you. And
Love
we
you
look
too,
forward
ma'am.
to meeting you soon, very soon in Australia. Thank
Yeah,
you.
sure. Thank you, ma'am.